And this is the story about this guy. I will share you a little bit. He went to the tub. A few days ago, yung sakit niya, malalaman mo talagang hindi niya kaya kasi yung mukha is pumapangit.
Good morning, Philippines!
Morning. It is not a good morning. Usap tayo. Morning, guys. It's already 7:30. So, bumangon ako. Morning. Bumangon ako. Pumunta ako kay Tami. Nag-start na back to kahapon. Nasayahan ako kasi parang nag-iis yung pain. Nakapunta siya sa doktor. Pero, bumalik yung sakit niya ngayon. And also guys, wala kaming mask ni Tami kasi wala nang mabili na mask, as in wala. Hindi din pwede si Tami mag-mask, hindi siya makahinga. I mean, okay man yung hininga niya. Iba kasi siya kapag parang nakaano sa ilong at bibig niya, para siyang nalulunod. Ako okay lang naman ako, hindi man ako lumalabas kahit saan-saan. Sa bahay lang ako, pabalik-balik na ako sa isang bahay. Today, tatawag kami ng doktor para sa spine. Kasi kahapon ng pagpunta namin sa doktor, ang nangyari guys is para sa kidney yon. So yung sakit pala niya, marami siyang problema sa kidney niya. As in, ang dami. Pero yung sakit is hindi nanggaling sa kidney. Nanggaling pala yun sa kung saan. I think yung the previous na hindi nila ginawa ng paraan. Yung sa spine. Kasi kailangan mag-MRI. So ngayon, kailangan si Taming maghanap ng doktor para sa spine. And yun, doon mag-proceed. Ibalik ko na naman ito guys para komportable ako kasi kapag umaga kasi dito ang temperature ng bahay binaba ni Tami, gabi lang siya maging 70. Hala, ano to? Saan to galing? Hi guys, nandito si Tami, searching for a doctor for back spine doctor, neurologist. And na-high blood ako guys, ang aga-aga. Tell me if you call, okay, that I can shut up. Not taking any appointment?
Unless it's absolute emergency. Due to coronavirus.
Anyway, so na-high blood ako guys kasi tumawag ako sa sister ko. Alam ko naman nagka-problema ngayon din ang Pilipinas. So tumawag ako sa sister ko. Pagkatapos niyan, that's emergency, Tuhan, you're in bad pain.
They don't consider an emergency means you're not going to make it through the night.
Sabi pa, hindi sumagot yung sister ko. Sinagot niya pero hindi siya nagsalita. Ang ginawa niya is tinawag niya yung ama ko. Papa! Tapos yung papa ko, nakasagot. Pagsagot ng papa ko, sabi pa niya, Ging, close na ang mga tindahan dito, Ging. Wala na kaming makain, Ging. Nagpadala ako bago. Asan yung bigas? Gusto pa daw, ilang buwan pa daw ito. Kailangan daw nila ng, bigas marami. Na-high blood ako, guys. Ano na ba ito? May problema na nga ako dito. Problema pa sa Pinas. Ako pa yung nagka-problema. So, na-high blood ako. Nagalit ako sa kapatid ko, saka sa ama ko. Kasi problema dito is saka wala din akong pira palagi dito. Parang marami akong pira na nakatambak lang doon. Wala. Napag-isip-isip ko kahit masakit sa dibdib, zero balance natin yung account natin. Nagpadala pa rin ako. Pinadalhan ko sila. Sabi ko, bili kayo. Tag-iisa sako kayo. Ito lang yung mabigay ko sa inyo. After this, wala na. Why you acting like you're sick?
I look, I'm sick. I didn't freak out.
No, you don't like that. He's in pain, guys. What is it like? So, what's the doctor thing?
Call after you finish what you think.
I'm done.
No, you're recording.
Oh, bye, guys. Okay, guys. Here's the hard head guy.
It is the hard head. The hard head is the one holding the camera who doesn't want to leave, and I keep telling her, it's safer if she's not here. She's better off at the other house. But we have this fight every day, and she don't want to go away.
Because what's the wife do? Take care of the partner. Han, if I'm dying, honey, are you gonna leave me?
No, hon. But
okay, so I won't leave you.
I'm not dying. I'll survive. I'll handle it.
You handle.
I can.
You're in bad
I know I'm
pain.
in bad pain. I can still deal with it.
When he's throwing up, guys, he's trying to kick me out in this house. And the first thing I just got here, the first thing he does is, I was freaking out the first day when I came here. I was freaking out because he's throwing up like that. I cannot breathe throwing up. And the first thing he said, go away, far away from me. It hurts.
Huh?
That he kicked me just to be here to take care of him.
I don't want you sick, thank you.
Okay, I know, but thank you, honey.
Well, thank you, nothing. I don't want you to be sick.
Thank you for, thinking of that, but I need to be here. So guys, so he is here.
What's happening with me has nothing to do with COVID-19.
Okay, just straight that out. Okay.
There's nothing to do with COVID-19. This is some kind of issue going on in my body. But what it does do is it makes me more susceptible to everything around me.
That
Because my body starts to break down from what is going on.
so you're worried too if I have COVID?
No. Which means I'm more susceptible to something, and then I can give it to you. I'm not worried about getting it from you. I'm worried about giving it to you.
I'm worried about that.
I don't want to get something because of my situation and give it to you.
Yeah, but that's why I don't go nowhere, guys. I don't care, guys.
That's why. That's the whole backwards reason.
No, I don't want to go nowhere that I don't get something and pass it to you because you are more very fragile.
Fragile. Kiss my butt. Fragile.
No, but I don't want to give anything to you. That's why I avoid to go anywhere. All I have to do is back and forth in our house and this house. That's all. No people communicating. No, not meeting people. Even stores, nothing. But guys, what he's feeling right now, guys, we thought it's kidney, but kidney is part of this. But this pain that he's feeling right now, it's freaking something about his spine, backbone.
Yeah.
And we know this from the other hospital that they don't want to do anything about the pain, and the kidney, they don't want to do anything. So now Tommy this morning, what he did is calling doctors, talking to anybody. And you did something. You said you're waiting for calls?
Yeah, I'm waiting for a call and a response. 2 calls, actually.
Why 2 calls?
Well, one that I submitted and one that Isabel's getting in touch with.
So we're looking for a spine doctor. They called it neurologist. Neurologist. That's what he's calling for. So we are here watching this dramatically.
Dramatically?
Yeah, dramatically. So even he is in pain. This is amazed me of Tommy, guys. Even he is in really bad pain. He wants shower. If I'm in pain, guys,
I am not going stinking, smelling anywhere. I'm not doing it.
So me, guys, if I get in pain, don't move me. I don't want to go to water, nowhere, shower, nothing. I just want to lie down. Tommy, he cannot walk, and he lie down in the tub, and he is like kind of tilting all over her body just to be in the water. And this is the story about this guy. I will share you a little bit. He went to the tub, and he doesn't eat for 4 days, guys. So he went to the tub and in pain and no strength whatsoever. And I was worried about because his feet, it turned purple.
Feet turned purple?
Yeah, it's purpley, honey. When I was checking before I left, I was worried.
You didn't tell me that.
I told you. Because you don't move, nothing, nowhere, no water, guys, no food. So when he went to the shower, I told you guys, I give him, and he was lying down in the tub. I feed him, guys, because I feel so bad that he is really pale looking. No food, no water. I give him a lot of water and food and eating over in the tub, when he's lying down with the water.
She forced me to drink a lot of water. Watch Caligula, you'll see what she did.
Yeah, I force him. I give him 2 gallons of water.
An old Roman Empire porno movie. Where they took a guy and they tied this thing around his, and they poured wine in him until he exploded.
Yeah, Tommy was laying down in the tub, and I gave him 2 gallons of water, and he drank it really. And then I gave him. I keep forcing him because, guys, we really thought his kidney is failing and that stone. Even though it still need to be drink a lot of water.
Because I'm dehydrated.
Yes.
At least
And
they
guys,
give me these pills. Hopefully that helps that.
Yeah, and guys, thank you guys so much for your concern, guys, for my husband. I was really concerned, and I can see also the comments, honey. They are concerned.
far as price.
and first aid kits.
Oh, Michael Weintraub.
And best of all,
Said that so.
if you have Medicare and Medicaid, chances are you could get a dual complete plan. So call
0788.
now to talk with us and learn more.
Okay.
Or ask to have a licensed agent visit your home and take you through everything step by step. We too.
Class.
All at no additional cost. You have Medicare. You have Medicaid. You may be able.
Hi guys, pasensya na sa look natin ha, the same thing over and over kasi yun naman ito. Pero ngayon kausap niya yung sister niya, naghanap sila ng mga ano kasi ako wala, since I got here, hindi talaga ako ng hospital. Thank God, hindi ako na ano yung mga confine, thank goodness wala akong mga ganun. Kasi parang kahit ganito yung katawan ko, parang survivor itong katawan ko, parang makatik ng ano kahit may sakit na ako. Pero guys, 'di ba sabi ko, nagalit ako sa papa ko, sa sister ko, and then na-realize ko, mahirap talaga din dun sa Pilipinas kasi kapag wala kang pera, and then nag-close na yung iba, wala ka nang mabili, and then wala kang pera, wala nang yung kung ano man yung ginagawa mo pang araw-araw para makabili ng bigas, is hindi din pwede kasi wala na mga tao, nagtago na, ganun, close na yung ano. Naisip ko, okay, so ito na lang yung last na gagawin ko. I mean, hindi last, pero gagawin ko for now kasi may mga problema din kami dito. Yung pera ko is hindi din ako maraming pera. Kailangan din namin magbayad ng bill dito. So sabi ko, okay. Sabi ko sa sister ko, magpadala na naman ako. Bago lang ako nagpadala. Nagpadala na naman ako. Pero this time, mga kapatid ko may mga kanya-kanyang pamilya na. So 5 sila. Parents ko at saka 4 kong kapatid na may asawa na. So, yun yung 5 sila, sabi ko, bibili kayo ng bigas. Tagi-1 sako kayo. Dapat, ang gagawin ninyo, magdahan-dahan kayo kasi mahilig kayong magluto ng marami and din matapon dahil akala ninyo marami pang maano. So, sabi ko, kayo nang bahala kasi after this, kung ilang months kayo nang bahala sa sarili ninyo para matuto din sila, para maano nila na huwag tayong ng bigas, kasyahin natin ito hanggang kailan. So, may ekstrang pera, bili kayo ng mga bulad, mga ng pang matagalang ulam. Huwag kayong bibili ng mga gulay kasi malanta yan or isda o ganun. Kung meron kayong isda, ilagay nyo sa freezer, sabawin ninyo ganun, pang matagalan, may mahigop lang kayong sabaw. So, sabi ko, tag-1 sako kayo ha. So, yun lang yung maibigay ko. Ay, ang hirap, sabi ko. Pati mga pagkain ninyo, ako pa yung magproblema. Yeah. Sabi pa ni Tami, ikaw yung panganay eh. Ikaw yung panganay at ikaw yung parang maaasahan sa ngayon. Sabi ko, anong maaasahan? May problema din kami dito. So, magkano ng sako? Buti na lang yung sako. May mabili ka na ng 1 sakong bigas daw na 1,800. Plus 5 sila. Plus extra money pa para pambili. Sabi ko, okay, zero balance natin yung bangko ko para mabigay sa inyo. So, after this, wala na talaga. He hung up his sister. His sister is just giving him some information about doctors. May mga kasi sila referral kasi yung asawa niya is palaging nasa hospital. Palaging kung saan-saan na napuntang doktor kasi may problema din. So, i-refer si Tami sa ganito, gano'n. Si Tami na lang yung tumatawag para kagawa ng appointment. Nakagawa siyang appointment. Matagal pa, guys. And then yung sakit niya sa likod is hindi talaga niya makayanan. Ngayon, okay pa yan, di ba? Nakapagpatawa-tawa. Pero kapag hindi niyo siya makita sa camera, yun yung mukha niya is gano'n. Sakit niya. Gano'n. Kapag hindi niyo siya makikita, like the previous vlog, kasi andun siya sa taas, and then paraging, ako yung nasasaktan. Look at my crease. I think this is the result of coronavirus, guys. Look. This is coronavirus result. Oh my God.
They're scared, they're walking away.
I'm sorry, guys, the TV is so loud because we were watching this Donald Trump thing.
And they're mowing lawn outside.
Huh?
And they're mowing lawn outside. So.
Yeah, the gardener is cleaning outside so. Anyway, so this husband, guys. Remember, guys, my mother-in-law have a best friend since they were like teenager. And she live in Queens. And she's stuck in her house. She's stuck in her house because she's gonna watch this vlog. She watch my vlog sometimes. But, she's stuck over there. She doesn't want to go out because she's, older than mom. And she's stronger still, but because of this virus, she quarantined herself.
Down.
So, my husband keep calling, you know, like always call her and, you know, ask how she is. So this morning, is this morning? Morning, my husband decide that he want to cook Spanish rice.
I actually decided a few days ago, but I was not for it, so.
So he want to cook Spanish rice and bring it. You know where she is, guys? In Queens. You have to call doctors, right?
Calling doctors. I'm waiting for callbacks. What am I gonna do? I can sit here and stare at walls.
I think he's cooking this, guys, not for her. It's for him.
Yeah, okay.
He loves, Tommy likes Spanish rice.
I do love Spanish rice. I'm not arguing that.
Yeah, that's really thick, honey. So this is what happened. So he's making Spanish rice, and she's not Spanish.
She's not Spanish.
Is she Spanish, hon?
You're kidding, right?
Oh yeah, she's Puerto Rican, right? Spanish. Oh yeah, she's Puerto Rican. So I thought Spanish is only Mexican. Sorry.
Right, now you just insulted half of the people on the planet. Let's see.
So yeah, she's Spanish. So
You insulted the girl in the
Korean.
Chinese restaurant by calling her Korean. Now she's insulting Spanish people by calling them Mexican. Insulting Mexican people by saying they're the only Spanish people on the planet. How many people
Sorry, I don't know about this Earth planet thingy. Who's like, who's Asian, who's not. And he's the only person that mom knows for a long time when she was a kid. Best friend forever. Tommy.
She said was 17 years old.
Yeah, so Tommy is still keep calling her, checking on her. Now he decided to cook rice for her. Ay, nako. You know, Spanish rice, guys, it really takes forever to cook, guys. You have to cut this, cut that. Hala, you don't have the pot here. It's in our house.
It's under here. Not in our house. What are you talking about?
It's in our house. I bring it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Look under there.
No, I know it's in there.
Check.
It's there. I'm lying. I'm lying. I have to really see it. I don't want him to stand up.
Maybe you take the dogs up. I get the delivery tomorrow and I just drive up. I'm not leaving the car. We're taking 2 cars either way.
No.
I'm not leaving the car here for a week or 2 weeks.
We talk about that later, honey. I don't want to argue with you. You're in pain. I don't want to be.
Don't matter. I'm not doing that.
No.
I'm not leaving the car sitting here by itself for a week or 2. It's not going to happen.
Okay, guys. So let him cut his finger.
Soap operas?
Okay, so.
So it was housewives and bartenders.
So your mom called people like who? She had friends before? Like friends? Not Anne-Marie?
No, all the neighbors, they were all friends. People used to just walk into each other's houses and hang out. And yes.
Really?
Yes.
Like Philippines before?
Yeah.
I don't see
Nobody
that here.
nobody ever locked the doors. People just walk right in. They didn't care. They didn't knock. They didn't ring. They just walked in.
And mom got a Prudential. Probably this is a...
Probably all tax documents, so.
No, it's a check. Just like what you guys always receive.
Oh.
And mom got a Prudential bill. Why she get a bill? Over there.
Okay.
The normal bill. How you can deposit this, son? This is what he put in the rice. There's no more rice. It's just that. And he cooked rice without water. Look. He cooked rice without water. So that's how he cooked his rice.
Not cooking.
It's not even cooked yet. It's very hard. Few days ago, yung sakit niya, malalaman mo talagang hindi niya kaya kasi yung mukha is pumapangit, umuungol, ganyan yan. So, ngayon, kaya niya yung sakit niya. Tinatanong ko, may sakit pa ba? Sabi niya, oh, normal na yan. Pero mamayang gabi, mag-ungol-ungol na naman to kasi parang lumala siya kapag gabi.
I'll take the other jar and open it.
Another jar? Where is it? Top of the refrigerator. Oh, honey. You said inside on top. He's embarrassed, guys, to tell you guys. Look, he was trying to dry the rice, guys, and he forgot to stir it. Look what happened. He's cooking it without water. Look, and he transferred it over there, but he doesn't like the fact that there is.
What am I gonna do about that? Life is life.
Rice is life. I thank you, Han, for saying that. Rice is life.
Oh.
Look what happened, guys. He's really good this. So, guys, we are locked down. That means this rice belong to our stomach. We cannot run anywhere.
We're not locked down.
No, but they're planning to lock down us.
Within 48 hours, no.
We are watching the news. Look. Lockdown, guys. They're planning to lock down 48 hours from now. They are gonna decide if we're. That means lockdown. That means the same with China, the same with Italy, the same with where other countries that lock down. That you stay home, you cannot get out. If you get out, military will come to you and shoot you. No, I'm just kidding. I keep coughing, guys. This is not good. Are you sure that they're still the same house?
Yeah.
So, tapos na kaming nagluto. Tami nagluto. And oh, my cell phone is low bat, so I'm gonna charge mine first.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put mine.
Right here, this is where I put. Don't put it over there. Then you're gonna struggle.